Hello people, welcome back to my channel. Today it's all blue foods like blue chicken, blue ramen, blue beef, blue octopus, then blue jello and blue mint. Please, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video. Please support me to grow up this channel, please like and share more and more to get this type of video every day. Oh, there's a huge blue jello. Nice. Wow, they're so great. So that's all for today. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon.